Today is December 28, 2025. Today is my birthday and my birthday of my ate Gigi. My age is secret. You know what? I'm very sad because it's first time to celebrate my birthday without my mom and G. And for Christmas and New Year. Mom, I really miss you, Mom. I really miss your voice. Mom, I hope you hug me now. I can feel your love now. Because my mom and G was passed away last September 13th. There's no great to me. Happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday, Gigi. I know my eldest sister, Gigi. I know. She's not happy to her birthday. Same with me because my mom, who passed away, is first time. It's hard for me to celebrate her birthday. Christmas, New Year.